Now, in the last book from Springer, we mentioned about fan-out technology from John Lau. But 3D technology, or 3D microelectronic packaging, is a recent title provided by Li. A title which I feel sums up the technology we're all dealing with. If we look at multi-chip modules, and that's an old term, fundamentally that's 3D technology. If we look at package on package, stacking one BGA on top of another, that's a 3D technology. And then within inside the individual packages, we may have multiple dies, we may have other components which make up a circuit. So we've then got a module, which again is 3D technology. In the publication, Jan explains all of the different types of 3D technology which can be used, and I was particularly interested on the package on package because it's something that has been close to my heart over the last few years, where I've experimented with different types and different component technologies. Again, produced by Springer, well illustrated. I feel that again, taking this book and putting this in your library is worth the investment. Jan Li, with his publication 3D Microelectronic Packaging, not only focuses on the component, they also focus on the substrates used to mount the components which then make up the modules. And of course, printed circuit board technology has moved on significantly over the last 10 to 15 years, incorporating microvia, stacked via and other interconnection technology. Of course, we've also dabbled in embedded technology where we're introducing the components inside the substrate to provide a better building platform for electronic manufacture.